As he nears his 90th birthday on July 6, the Dalai Lama has issued a significant declaration. Only his own Geden Phadrang Trust has the authority to identify the 15th Dalai Lama, dismissing any claims from Beijing. This statement comes amid tension with China, which labels the Dalai Lama a separatist and insists it will appoint his successor using its traditional golden urn method. During a religious conference in Dharamsala, he reaffirmed his commitment to preserving the spiritual lineage. The institution of Dalai Lama will continue. He emphasized that no external interference is allowed. Tibetan activists and officials praised his move. Many believe that naming his successor outside India, possibly born in India or elsewhere, sends a clear signal to Beijing. This announcement not only guards Tibetan Buddhist tradition but also confronts China's growing efforts to control Tibet's future spiritual leadership.